What up, YouTube? Thank you for tuning back to the channel. Socks are done. Let's check them out real quick. This some bulldog socks. Turned out pretty good. Another collage of a bunch of pictures. Look like some older pictures and some newer pictures. Turned out very good. Some Cheetos, which if you put them together, let me show you myself so y'all won't see the address. All right, so like if you put them together, it says Cheeto. Somebody hit me up and wanted me to do those for them. Sold another patch. Got this patch. I sold another one that I can't find right now. Now I got a bunch, so I might have to find it, but it's not in my listed pile, so I might have to dig and find that one, but I'm gonna do that later. And I sold an actual, some like goggle type deals that's going to Belgium. Pirate ship, simple export. You can't beat that.
Yes, sir.
That's what I got going out now. That's where it's at home. I gotta go over to the office and ship a couple things. So, what y'all doing over here?
Beyblades.
Beyblades?
Yeah.
Hey, let me play. Set me up. All right. About to play me this Beyblade game. All right, you ready?
Mm-hmm.
Go ahead and count down.
3, 2, 1, ready, rip!
I'm ready. Come on.
Yes,
Come on. Huh?
Yeah! Let's go, baby! Get out of my game.
Hey, I went too early. I didn't know. Anyway, whatever. So the kiddos is helping me organize some other patches I haven't listed, which,
God, done.
as you can see, is a lot.
Yes, it is. I need the, Daddy, imagine we got the one that you needed on video.
That'd be nice one.
That'd be so nice.
What he's talking about is I sold one. It's not in my sold pile. I was just telling y'all about that earlier. So I was going through some of the ones I had to see if I had another one in here like it. And of course, that one, I got duplicates of everything, but that one that I need, I bet you I probably only have one in this whole 1,200.
Daddy, there's so much red 3s that I literally fell into the gray 3s.
It's all good. We'll sort them out here in a few.
Where's the one?
Next day, it's a cold one out here. Look what happened to my wife's car. Let me see if I can show it without showing the license plate. Look.
Oh, come on, man.
A hit and run. Somebody ran into the back of her. They actually got out of the car. Said, "Oh, I'm sorry. I didn't mean to hit you, blah, blah, blah." So my wife goes in and get insurance information and everything, start to call the police. They get back in the car and take off.
Bruh.
It's cold out here. So, as you can see, my wife is hitting the back. No pun intended. I'm not gonna elaborate on that. And I was hitting the front by a deer though. Still got a little hair right there, look. I'm keep that right there. You know what I'm saying? For memories. Yeah, you know, gotta keep that there for memories. So, sorry. Battery went out, but I had to change batteries. So me and my wife are riding around in 2 hoopties right now. You know what I'm saying? Car's been paid off forever. We ain't had a car payment in years. And she got 2012, I got a 2007. I think I told you that before. 2009, I got mine in 2010. She got hers in 2012. So we both got them brand new. We just still rolling. We still rolling. Heavy Chevy, strong. You understand? About to go over to the office. Gotta go pack up some, what are they called? Hubcaps, the ones that I sold yesterday. I'm just great sending those out today. I'm about to get back into listing. As y'all know, I haven't listed in about a month, so I'm about to get back into it, listing heavy. 2021 is gonna be a different year for me. I'm gonna try to break goals, achieve goals, and break records is what I meant to say. Back at the office, brought some boxes over here. Probably gonna have to use those. Keep Amazon boxes in because wifey orders something from them every day. And I've been having these for a while, and I brought these over here. They're all the same. A bunch of them. I think I got like 20 something. Pops. As y'all know, are those of y'all who've been following the channel for a while, y'all know that collect is a bad word. I collect them, but I don't buy every pop. I have a bunch at home, ones that I like. Every now and then I get the ones that I like and I have at the crib. Anyway, at my bin store one time, I went on 25 cent. The one and only time I went on 25 cent day. And this is all I bought. And I bought all these for 25 cents a piece. So what I decided to do was hold on to them because these right here, they made a bunch of them, so they didn't go for that much when they first came out. But sometimes when you hold on to stuff, when you hold on to certain items within like the pop community or like Jordans or something like that, if you hold on to them for like a year, 6 months or so, the value goes up. You know, it's one of those things you got to kind of research and know. When you know type stuff. So being that I'm in the shoes, I know, you know, if a shoe comes out, they might make a bunch, but in a year from now, that $170 shoe might go up to like $600-700, and I have a bunch of shoes like that. And it goes for pop sometimes, not that much like that on that, and those might not go for that much, but I know they're going for more than they was when I first got them. So I'm glad I held on to those, and I'm gonna list those here soon. Let's see what we got going out. So these sold. You remember when I got these a couple weeks back? 60 model center caps, GMC. I put the comp on the screen. Did pretty good on it. I think I sold them for about $250, $270 plus tag, plus shipping or something like that. Very good buy. I believe I got these for a little bit of nothing. I didn't pay, it may have been $20-something I paid for these, but yeah, man, that was a great buy by me. Got it from my local guy that I get everything else from. You know, the cooler, which still right here. I got a couple. That's only on Facebook. I don't have it on eBay. And that clock, I got that on Facebook. Got some bites, but y'all know how Facebook is. You got to talk to 10, 12 people before somebody actually comes to get it. So I say those will sell fairly soon. Been doing good on Facebook Marketplace. I didn't list these on there. I just put these on eBay. So yeah, I'm glad they sold. I'm gonna pack those up, ship those out. This is all I got going out from the office. I came all the way over here just to get that. I have a bunch of my smalls at home, so I ship a lot from the crib. It's just better that way. A lot of times, the only time I have to come over is usually when it's my big stuff or something sells out of my bins. So it's working out, and I'm glad I'm doing it like that. A lot of smalls I keep in bins in my little room that I had before I moved over here, and the rest of it goes over here. So let's pack this up and get it out.
Yes, sir.
Just walked out of the Goodwill. Didn't get too much. Only got cheesecloth. It was 99 cents. Seen some comps on it that went for like, I don't know, between $15 and $20. It was only 99 cents. Only reason why I got it, because usually if I find one thing that ain't too good, I just won't get anything and just walk out. But the lines was empty, so I jumped right in there and got it. So anyway, I'm on my way home. My wife gotta go get her hair done, and I guess we'll see what else we get into. Next day, excuse the sound, I don't know what my wife is doing, but I'm making a shake or something.
Bruh.
Shout out to Adele, purchasing the shirt. Straight up, you feel me?
Straight up.
I won a couple auctions off high bid. I'm about to go pick those up. One yesterday. Was on with the Nurse Flipper last night. I was on actually with the Nurse Flipper, Tommy Bernard and Tracy Parks. Shout out to them, a couple fellow resellers. Great show last night. If you haven't caught it, it's over on the Nurse Flipper's channel. We went about a little over 2 hours, and we had a lot of fun. I hadn't had fun like that in a while, so glad I was a part of that. So with all that being said, let's go over here and pick up the items that I got off Habit. It's raining outside. Look at it, man. Look at that weather. Feels good, but it's raining. Look, 53 degrees. It's pretty nice. Leaving the house, about to go pick up his stuff. I don't know if I said it already. My videos are turned into vlogs, man. Do y'all like this style of video? That's the real question. You know, I'm just kind of going through my day, letting y'all see what I do. Are you coming or what? This car just creeping, man. Look at him. What are you gonna do, dude?
Oh my God.
My God. Anyway, do y'all like this style of video? I got road rage. I ain't even left the house. I already got road rage.
Bruh.
I do. You know, I like to see other people's way of doing things. I figured it's a different type of video instead of picking and what's olds all the time. I just kind of throw it all together. Like, I'm about to go do this pick now. I bought a couple of things off of high bid. I already said that, didn't I? Let's just go pick this stuff up.
Well, it went pretty high.
What's going on, man?
How you doing, David?
You doing all right?
I guess. How about you?
I'm doing better than I can. Doing great. I'm great. Big boy, yeah. Too bad to go. Yeah.
Got him? Need help with it?
Nah, I got it. I appreciate it.
All right, thank you, sir. We'll have
Take
the
it
next one up in Friday.
That'll work. Yeah. Happy New Year.
You too.
Thank you. Appreciate it. All right. At the office, just got back from my local auction. Some of the stuff I picked up, it's gonna be it's not too good. I say not too good. Look at that rain, man. I was gonna put the kids' trampoline together and look at that. You know what the kids do? They get up and they ask Google, "Hey Google, how many degrees is it gonna be outside?" And they said 57 degrees. It's like, Daddy, it's gonna be warm enough to put the trampoline in. But they didn't ask Google if it was gonna rain though. So it's raining outside, and we can't put the trampoline together, but it's all good. That's what they got for Christmas, one of the things, and they can't wait to put it together. But I told them it'd probably be spring. Let's get into what I got. I got a bunch of little miscellaneous, which I said I was gonna try to stay away from, but I paid $40 for this lot. First off, I was testing these earphones, these Kobe's, which do pretty good if they work. And as I was testing it in this radio, I pulled it out and that came out. So guess what? These is trash.
Oh, come on, man.
Radio works, but this radio is not worth that much. It's probably a $15 radio. And it's Panasonic. And actually it do pretty good. You know, I believe when I looked it up, they were like at $30-ish dollars, which is pretty good. But I got to test it because when I opened it up, it had some batteries in it, and as you can see, turn the light on. As you can see, there's corrosion in there, so I'm gonna have to clean that out. Stuff I didn't want to do, you know. I mean, it's more time. Time is money, right? So I'm gonna have to clean that out and see if that works. But it's a nice Panasonic. Got these chargers as well, which I'm gonna give to my sons. They got iPads and iPhones, so those actually work out for them. A little personal thing right there. Now the big thing, the reason why, because all this lot came in this box right here. The reason why I got it is because of this clock, and y'all know them flip clocks do pretty good. It's been plugged up this last couple of minutes, and when I plugged it up, it said 10:38, so it's working. And man, these are pretty dope. I just love how these look, as far as you know, flipping and whatnot. I always said I wanted one for my house, but I want a different one. This one right here is a little different model than what I really want. I don't think it goes for that much. This is one of the ones that goes, I believe, between $20 and $30, which is still okay. Like I said, I paid $40 for everything, and I'm still not done. I got this big boy. I didn't know he was this big when I purchased him. All right. It's a BetBot, something like that. It's missing the missiles, and it comes with a character and some missiles, basically. His wings open. He got wings on the back that open, which I don't really know how to do. I've been sitting here wrestling with this thing forever, and I don't know what I'm doing. But it takes batteries too, so it's something I have to test, see if it works. But if it had all the missiles and everything, this is like a $100 toy. I see them go for over $100. Without the missiles, if it works once I put the batteries in, I've seen people get about $70, $60. So, you know, this might be okay by now I think about it. But what sends it over the top, which I didn't see in the video, I actually left and had to go back and get this. This is a Sony TCWE475. It's actually plugged up, so it is working. It's a tape cassette. Let me see. I have any tapes? Let me see. I think I have a tape here. Got 2 tapes. I guess we can test it now, right? Really can't test it because it's not plugged up to any speaker, so I don't know if it works or not. But I'm gonna see if anything moves once you hit play. Let's see what we got going on here. I got some action. In there. Yeah, so you know, if the heads is clean and nice, and they look real nice in there, then this should be working. Tested. I'm gonna say it's tested. But these go pretty good, man. Cleaned up nice. I see them go all the way up until, you know, $120, $150, $100. You know, they kind of all over the place, just depending on if anything's wrong with it. I'm gonna take a picture with it plugged up. It's looking nice here, so we're gonna go with that. All right, and that's it. This right here sent me over the top right here. I paid $40 for everything, and I guess I get a little money. But it wasn't my best buy. I take that back. The radio sent me over the top. If it didn't have the radio, it would have been a bad buy. So yeah, man, I think I'm gonna end the video here. I think I've been recording the last couple of days, and I'm gonna go ahead. Matter of fact, this is just sitting over here. I need to test this. This is another Sony. This should do pretty good. I'm gonna get back here, take some pictures, list a couple things. Y'all like, comment, subscribe. If I don't do another video, which I probably won't, y'all have a happy new year. Hopefully 2021 brings us more money, more reselling, more everything, and hopefully we'll be able to get together. You know, 2021's been kind of terrible, but 21, I say, is gonna bring us back together. Fingers crossed. Y'all be good.